Ever pondered on a natural way to boost your weight loss regime? A specially brewed herbal drink could be an ideal answer to your quest. So which herbs lend themselves to weight loss, you might wonder? Dandelion, for instance, works as a diuretic and choleretic, playing a pivotal role in flushing out toxins from your body. Nettle, brimming with vitamins and minerals, aids metabolism and purifies the blood. Fennel eases digestion and brings relief from bloating. Hibiscus helps regulate blood sugar levels, accelerating the fat-burning process. Lastly, green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants, supports metabolism and tones the skin. Moving on to the preparation of this herbal weight loss drink. Begin by mixing 2 teaspoons of dried herbs, dandelion, nettle, fennel, hibiscus, or green tea, in a cup of hot water. Then cover it and steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, strain the infusion and consume it 2 to 3 times daily before your meals. To enhance the taste of your herbal infusion, consider adding a teaspoon of honey or lemon. Alongside this, ensure to drink ample water throughout the day to maintain optimal hydration. For the best results, make this herbal tea a part of your regimen, combined with regular exercise and a balanced diet. However, it's crucial to remember that a herbal drink is not a magic potion. It's not a substitute for a healthy diet or regular exercise. If you have any health concerns, it's always wise to consult your doctor before incorporating a herbal drink into your diet. Beyond sipping on a herbal weight loss drink, there are other natural methods to shed those extra pounds. Consuming a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, choosing lean proteins and whole grains, limiting your intake of sugar and saturated fats, and regular exercise can all contribute to a healthier you. By adhering to these principles, you can safely and effectively lose weight while enhancing your overall well-being. So, embark on your natural weight loss journey today with this delightful herbal drink.